boy. Woo! Last hike of the year for 2025. Gotta get it in. Last one. In the snow. Woo! Cold out here. Having fun though. It's fun to be out here in the woods, in the snow. A little chilly. Woo! We're getting it done. Well, looks like we got 12 inches of snow. Look at that. Bunch of snow. Oh man. Alright folks. That's where I'm at. In the woods. One last hike to close the year. And getting ready for the 2026 adventures that are coming. So stay tuned. Alright man. Woo! I'm here in the woods all by myself. Yeah. Alright. See you folks in the next video.